Hi, good evening. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 1. This place is connected to the main Vyapar Kendra market. This is connected with the Galleria market in DLF Phase 4. This is connected to the MG Road, NH8 and the golf course. We're on a plot size of 300 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the configuration of this house. Let's get started. This space where I'm standing right now, this is the dining section, since we are bang opposite to the kitchen. This surface is all Italian. You talk about the ceiling design, this is bifurcated into 3 segments. The thickness of this ceiling and the other ceiling, which is near to the formal living space, is pretty much huge. This has a wooden engineered, this false ceiling has an engineered wood and a beautiful chandelier, which is all crystal. The fans that I talk about are all by Havells, and this has a plain wall on the left hand side. Towards this way you will see a small window. This is gonna be a duct area. This is gonna be an open to sky area. This can be considered as the shaft. ये भी plain wall है. यहाँ पर मैं आपका पूरा का पूरा console लगा हुआ है. You can see the cabinetries out here. This is all running shelf. You can keep your antiques the way they have kept it to showcase the sample. This is the wall where you can hang your LED, your television accordingly, and then you can start watching it. A table for at least 10 people can be accommodated. The dining table for 10 can be done out here. This is the air conditioner is by Daikin. Now let's get started to get inside the formal living space of the area. ये पूरा का पूरा आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर ये वुडन पैनल का डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है. रनिंग पैनल है, काफ़ी अच्छा डिज़ाइन है. इट इज़ लुकिंग प्रिटी एंड ब्यूटीफुल. There the surface is Italian, here the surface is Italian, but the texture of the surface is slightly changed. This is the entrance door, this is the foyer section. You see all engineered wood with the middle glasses kept. ऊपर में सीलिंग का डिज़ाइन देखेंगे, पूरा वुड का डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है, शैंडलियर लगा हुआ है अच्छा सा. This is again one of the running shelves. ये आपका कैबिनेटरीज है. जैसे आप घर में आते हैं तो एक अच्छा सा आपको फील आता है, आप बाबा जी के आगे नमन करते हैं, then you start your work. This is the living room of the house, which has an Italian marble on the surface. On the left hand side you'll see a plain wall left empty for your customization. You've got Daikin air conditioner. You talk about the ceiling design is all square. A beautiful glass chandelier in the center of the ceiling with 2 fans by Havells. ये आपका एक थिक वॉलपेपर यहाँ पर लगाया हुआ है, इंजीनियर्ड वुड का काम हुआ है यहाँ पर. इसको आप देखेंगे, दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल ग्लास गिवन है ऑफ, I mean this is something that you will polarize yourself. This is looking magnificent. This goes automatically back. So this is all MDF, medium density fiber. When I talk about the glass window in the front, this is a huge door sized window which has a natural light flowing inside your formal living space. You talk about the drapery rods are all given. That's your running shelf. This is the place which is connected with the balcony in the front. This is the running balcony used with the first bedroom. We'll cover up the first bedroom in a little while from now. This is the first bedroom of the house. On the left hand side you will see this is a thick wallpaper. On this wall which has an APE sheet, ये पूरा का पूरा आप देखेंगे वुडन कंसोल्स हैं. ये पूरा का पूरा इंजीनियर्ड वुड है, पूरा पैनल उसका दिया हुआ है. सीलिंग की बात करेंगे, सीलिंग पूरा का पूरा रेक्टेंगुलर है. यू टॉक अबाउट द सर्फेस, दिस इज ऑल इटालियन. एयर कंडीशनर्स आर बाय Daikin. दिस वॉल इज kept plain for your customizations. This is a UPVC door window which is unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. This also has a mesh door. This will connect you to the balcony in the front. On the right hand side where I am, towards now on the left, you will see all the externals are hung here with the stabilizers, the textured wall, a natural stone on the surface of the balcony, which still has some designs in it to make it, just not to make it more slippery. This is anti-skid. This is your wet area and drainage vessel given here. ये कुछ एरिका पाम के आप plants वगैरह लगा सकते हैं. This is your toughened glass by Miko, and this is your MS का railing. Show them the surroundings a little. How does the surrounding look like in the evening hours? इधर से मैं एक चीज़ आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ अपने viewers को. This specific first bedroom has the drapery rods का पूरा provisioning दिया हुआ. You do not have to call your hardware chap to get this installed. कोई ठोका ठाकी की ज़रूरत नहीं. Normal है. You're good to go, and this is all pre-installed. This is the first washroom of the first bedroom. A beautiful vanity by Glossera Italiano, a granite countertop, which is again a stain-free. This is looking like nothing but beautiful. This is your cabinetry. That's the way you can decorate your upholsteries, your utilities. A running shelf of a granite wall mount commode seat, fittings by Vera. This is like recalled का आपका geyser. This is the shower area. डेल्टा का यहाँ पर रेन हेड दिया हुआ है. थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता तो शायद और अच्छा लगता, बट ये भी सोच समझ के ही दिया है. All tiles towards my left and right. On the surface you'll see again tiles. This is like wooden texture tile. ये आपका एक running upholstery यहाँ पर आप रख सकते हैं. Lightning का काम यहाँ पर हुआ हुआ है. This is the closet area. That's your shoe rack beneath down. The ceiling design stays simple. It's sober and simple. I mean, it's nice. This is your drainage vessel. That's your seat, and this is a glass channel which is given here. It's a slider glass channel. This is one level above the surface, so the water doesn't flow to this way. We'll get inside to the second bedroom. This is this. Next, opposite to the dining section, this is the bedroom connected to the dining section. On the right hand side you'll see a textured wallpaper. This is like left plain empty. This is also empty for your customization. Air conditioning system is by Daikin. These are some cabinet storage given to you to keep your stuff, clothes and everything. This will be removed. This is just for time being. You see the rectangular design on the ceiling. Speaker is also given here. This is your shaft where the geysers are all installed. So this, most of the times you'll keep it closed. This is your washroom, I mean the bathroom. A granite top. Vanity looks beautiful by Glossera wall mount commode seat. Left, right, center on the surface. On the right hand side you'll see all tiling work. This is all by the company called Delta. Then you've got the running shelf, granite and natural stone out here, a glass, a beautiful glass. These are your cabinet storage spaces. So on the surface you'll see this is like wooden flooring which has a warranty of around 10 years. This was the second bedroom of the house. Let's get towards the third bedroom. Before we get inside the third bedroom, on the ceiling you'll see this is all engineered wood. This is the third bedroom. This way please. Now these are all Italian marble, all Italian on the surface. A beautiful wallpaper which matches the upholstery of your cushions, and the engineered small wall which is given here at the back. This is your plain wall, that's your normal wall. For your customizations, you talk about the ceiling design. This is a different design. It is in H-shaped design specifically. This is the balcony which is connected in the front. This is your UPVC which has a mesh door. This is the balcony at the back side. You see an open plot. In the near future this will get covered, but this developer has kept something called fences for your safety measure. That's the external AC which is all hung there. Idhar geyser laga hua hai. Ye pura mein aapka running balcony at the back side. This is all metal. This is a small shelf given here. Again you've got a natural stone on the surface. Right side you see this is all textured. Also you have a wet area. The tap is there and the tap is placed that side as well at the corner. This is your drainage vessel. This way is the washroom space. Let's get inside the washroom. This is a beautiful washroom that I see inside. Come inside. I want to showcase my viewers the closet. This is the closet space, which is a sensor operated closet. It has a luminescent light down there. इसका कनेक्शन नहीं हुआ है, ये illumination हो रहा है लाइट का यहाँ पर, the sensor is working. This is a normal natural stone, a granite. We've got the cabinetry, is a beautiful vanity by Glossera. All the fittings are by Glossera का भी है. इधर में Delta का fittings है. You talk about the tiling work on the left, right, and these are all tiles on the surface, anti-skid tiles, rain head. Everything is placed beautifully. You see this utility area. This is a small channel for the shower area. This is your wall mount commode seat. This is a running shelf. Nothing has changed. The theme of every washroom stays similar. So let's get inside the last bedroom of the house, which is the master bedroom. This is a huge size of the wall of the bedroom. This has Italian on the surface. You talk about the right side wall. This is all engineered wood, which has this has a glass design, which is almost triangular and trapezoidal in shape. सारे मॉड्यूलर स्विचेस हैं, आपका पूरा का पूरा इंजीनियर्ड वुड कवर करा हुआ है. इधर में आपका क्लोजेट दे दिया है. This will be removed. You've got Daikin air conditioner on the left hand side. This wall stays empty, and the false ceiling design stays to be similar as square that I mentioned. You've got a small speaker out there, showcase. This is the balcony, which is connected at the back side once again. This is commonly shared with the third bedroom, fourth, and the kitchen area. Surroundings एक बार दिखा दीजिए. This is the washroom connected to the fourth bedroom. You see, again, in the shower area, you've got a slider. This is a rain head placed on this wall. पूरा का पूरा टाइलिंग वर्क इस्तेमाल करा हुआ है. एरिया काफ़ी बड़ा है, काफ़ी बड़ा एरिया है, छोटा नहीं है. सारा एंटी-स्किड टाइल्स हैं. वॉल माउंट कमोड सीट. कम इनसाइड. Wall mount commode seat. On my right hand side you will see the vanity area. Looks to be beautiful. You've got the storage system, and you've got this one as well, all beautifully placed with the glass. This was all about the master bedroom. Let's cover up the kitchen space, which is this way. This is your kitchen. The home appliances that we talk about, hob and chimney and hob. This is by Faber. Got transparent storage places. That's how you pull this out. This is to keep your cutlery, to keep your grains. This is a countertop which is stain free, again transparent. These are the storage options. ये आपका पूरा का पूरा किचन में दिया हुआ है. 2 सिंक, वॉशर्स, वेसल. यहाँ पर में आपका you can wash the utensils and you can park them here. This is the backside balcony once again. At the back, nothing has changed. It's shared with the third and the fourth bedroom and with the kitchen. On the surface you'll see an Italian flooring. Of the ceiling that I talk about, Havells का fan लगा हुआ है और बड़ी बड़ी 2 LED lights लगी हुई है. Beautiful design. Now it's time to sign off. You were watching Anupam Gambhir from Estate Experts. Thank you so very much for watching us. Let me reiterate what I have shown you. This is a 300 square yard plot connected with the most of the famous places around in the surroundings of this vicinity. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Thank you.